Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to another sessions of improving your English speaking skills with me. And today's sessions I'm going to tell you how to become the good English speaker. Hello, my name is Alina. I am learning English. This is my story about how I improved my English and the wonderful experience I had in London. I want to tell you about my life in this fascinating city and about my amazing teacher, Mrs. Smith. You can read my story and learn English with me. I am at Heathrow Airport in London. There are many people here. I feel tired and little scared. Everything is new and different for me. I have come to London to improve my English. My flight was long and now I am very tired. The airport is big and noisy. I do not understand the announcement. They are very fast and in English. People are talking around me, but I not understand anything. I feel alone and lost. I feel a lady in uniform and go to her. Excuse me, can you help me? The lady smiles and says something fast I do not understand. She repeats, but I only understand some words. I feel frustrated. I need to take a taxi to my accommodation. I go to the exit of the airport. There are many taxis. I go to a driver and show him the address on a paper. The driver nods and puts my suitcase in the car. During the ride, the driver tries to talk to me. She says something about the weather, but I just smile and nod. I do not understand much of what he says. I feel bad because I cannot communicate well. Finally, we arrive at my destination. I pay the driver and enter the building. I go up to my room and fall on the bed. I am exhausted. I think about my first day in London and how hard it was. I feel my English is not enough. That night I hardly sleep. I am worried. How will I survive in this country? If I do not understand people, I need to improve my English. Today is my second day in London. Today is my first day of English class. I am excited but also a bit nervous. I want to learn English very much. I arrive at the school. The building is old and beautiful. I see many students from different countries. We all smile at each other and go to the classroom. Our teacher's name is Mrs. Smith. She is very nice and has a big smile. She welcomes us and asks us to introduce yourselves. Hello, my name is Elena. I am from Spain. I am here to learn English because I want to study and work in London. The other students also introduce themselves. There are people from Japan, Brazil, Italy, and many other places. We all want to learn English. Mrs. Smith tells us about her method of teaching. She says we will not use traditional textbook. Mrs. Smith asks us to we study English before and what we think is the best method to learn English. I tell her that I like watching movies with subtitles, but I don't know what the best method to learn English. Mrs. Smith tells us that she will teach us a very effective method based on using the language. Mrs. Smith tells us that she will teach us a very effective method based on using the language. Other teachers tell us that he will not have a study and he will not use the textbook. We will immerse ourselves in the language. This is the great for me because I don't like study for using the textbook. Then we talk about what we should focus on when learning a new language. Mrs. Smith tell us we need a language for communications, to share ideas and understand ideas. Then we talk about what we should focus on when we learning a new language. Mrs. Smith tells us we need language for communications, to share ideas and understand ideas. So when you learn a new language, the best way to learn is use it for the exchanging ideas. This is what we will do in our course. So most of time we will speak. You spoke a lot when you learn your native language as a child, and you should speak a lot when you learn the English as a adult. So unfortunately, many students spend a time memorizing new words for learning grammar rules, but they do not use English for speaking. They study about the language, but they don't use it much. Of course, you need to learn new words and new grammars, but you don't have to study them. During this course, Mrs. Smith will show us a very simple and effective way to learn the new words and grammars. I like what your teacher says. Our lessons continues. Okay, we talk about our hobbies and what we do in our free time. We speak in a pair of with our teachers. It is great, and we talk for the whole lessons. We speak in a pair, okay, or with our teachers. It is great, and we talk for the whole lesson. I enjoy it so much. I enjoy it so much. I have never spoke so much English during one lesson in my life. I have never learned this way before. I am happy and look forward to the next lesson. I am happy and look forward to the next lesson. The next day, one of the students asks a question that interests me. She asks, what is the best way to learn the new words? And our teacher says, there are many things you can do to learn the new words. She tells us that reading is the statically and the most effective way to learn the new words. When people read while learning a new language, they learn twice as fast as the people who don't read. It is good to read for the last 30 minutes every day. So Mr. Smith show us what do if we want to get the most out of reading. First, it is very important that the book or text you read is listening to you. It is important that you enjoy reading. The book can be nice story or have a useful information for your job or hobby. Don't read a text that isn't interesting to you. Don't read the text that isn't interesting to you. It is also good to read a text in which you know most of the words. When you don't know many words, you can get frustrated. Always enjoy what you do while using English. Always enjoy what you do while using English. It is good to choose the text that is interesting and suitable for your level. When you read the text and see a word you don't understand, look up the word in the dictionary and then continue reading. You don't have to write the word down anyway. You don't have to make a list of new words. You don't have to try to remember the words. Just focus on understanding the text. But we focus, just you focus on understanding the text. When it is clear you what the words means, continue reading. Every time there is a new words for you, do the same. Reading also has another great advantage. When you read, you learn the new words. So thank you दोस्तों.